today's video, and this is Mysterious Physics. This channel's name is Mysterious Physics, and I am here a new first video. This is on how to solve a Rubik's cube. In only just few moves, you have to know just some algorithms, and if you apply the algorithms, you should definitely solve the Rubik's cube in some moves. First of all, you should hold the Rubik's cube on your hand and try to choose a side of it. First of all, if you choose the white side, most of the Rubik's cubers choose that side. If you choose that side, it will be more easy to solve. First of all, you have to make a white cross over here. So first of all, you just turn up and look all the sides. Then you see that here is the yellow side. So first of all, I have to make the white cross over the yellow center. So I am doing this. I did this, and then you have to match the colors of the centers, then turn upside down. You should repeat it. Therefore, your white cross is made, and then you should arrange the coordinates of white side. That is yellow, not yellow, that is blue and orange. That is blue and orange. This is blue and orange. So first of all, you have to learn a simple algorithm, that is R, U, R prime, U prime. So apply it. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. Till then the side is not here, you have to apply this algorithm only. Then search the other sides. This is orange and green. This is orange and green. First I have to apply this is blue and red. Here is blue and red. Same algorithm. It is done. Next, green and orange. Green and orange. Next, red and green. Red and green here. Next, you have to rearrange the centerpiece and the sides. And you have to apply the same algorithm but some different way. That is green and orange. You should put this over there. So apply your common sense and do it. Green red, it will put here. Next, red and blue, it will put here. See, Two sides are done. I need only one side to solve. Then I have to see the center is yellow. Then I have to make a yellow cross over there. To do this, any side you can choose. Any side you can choose. Just turn your phone face down and do this algorithm 2 times. And here you can see that when one horizontal side is made, then you see what is done. Green, red, green, red, red, blue. It is okay now. Then you apply your sense and turn your phone face down and do this again. White cross is done, and you have to see the colors are matches or not matches. The color is matching. Red, green. That is orange and green, not matching. Green, orange, red, blue, blue, orange, matches. Then do this. You should apply same algorithm now 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and turn your phone face sides over and do this again. 1, 2, 3. Now you can see that 3 sides are left and these are not made. So do this. Turn this over there and see. You should make the yellow over there, over down. Do this. Now you can see 2 colors are not matching. Then do this. First of all, you apply the same algorithm 1 time on right hand. 1. Now left hand. 2. Then 5 times right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 5 times from left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then do this again till not done. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it is done. See this. Totally done. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Please do subscribe for more videos. Search for more view.